What if I told you that you can make up to $10,000 a month from the comfort of your home without having to handle any physical products, write any code, and using only AI? I know that this might sound a little ambitious, but it is much more achievable than you might think. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started building this type of income stream. It's something that practically anybody with an internet connection can do, with the potential to earn you well beyond $10,000 a month in passive income, and all requiring very little effort. In fact, there are people just like you making thousands of dollars every single day using this exact strategy. And what I love about this side hustle is that you can do it from anywhere in the world, and you can literally get started for free right now. There is a growing number of YouTube channels that are completely faceless, and they're making thousands and thousands of dollars every single month. These channels are racking up millions of views and growing very large followings by creating simple videos on various topics like motivation, health and fitness, cooking, emerging tech, and so much more. Take a look at this YouTube channel, Tech Zone. According to Social Blade, this channel is easily making over $1,000 a day and generating north of $500,000 per year. And here's another example, Be Inspired. It's a channel with nearly 500 million views across all their videos. If you check their earnings on Social Blade, you'll see that they make up to $400 per day, easily over $10,000 per month. There are other faceless YouTube channels doing the exact same thing, and if they can do it, why can't you? People are using this AI tool that I found that takes a simple idea in the form of a prompt and turns it into a fully fledged video, complete with an engaging script, background music, subtitles, relevant footage, and even your own cloned voiceover. The amazing thing is, once you create the video, it will continue to generate income for years. There are videos on YouTube right now that are 5 or even 10 years old that still bring in thousands of dollars in passive income every single month. I feel like there's still not a lot of people talking about this opportunity because they don't want YouTube to get more competitive. But I truly believe that there's enough space for anyone who has a desire to jump right in. This opportunity is called YouTube automation, and there's never been a better time to get started than right now. On my channel, I not only discuss side hustles like this, but I also show you exactly how to get started. And with this new tool that I'm about to show you, it's unbelievably easy to start your own YouTube automation channel and begin to make videos with minimal effort. Okay, so let's walk through how easy this is. The tool I'm talking about is InVideo AI. I've linked it down in the description below. Once you click that link, it will take you to a page where you'll enter a topic and some instructions called a prompt. For example, today we're going to create a YouTube automation channel video focused on motivation, but more specifically, avoiding complacency. You'll start by writing a detailed prompt, and here's an example. Create a 3-minute video about the danger of becoming complacent and how it can limit your potential. Show how creating a system of accountability can lead to success. Use inspiring examples, keep the tone serious but uplifting. Use a British male voiceover and add subtitles. And once you've written your prompt, you just click generate and the AI will start generating your video. While the AI works, you can sign up for an account if you haven't already. After a few minutes, your video will be ready to go. Once it's done, you'll see the video preview and you can edit it with simple text commands. For example, if you want to add subtitles, you just type it in and they'll appear in the video. Want to change the British male voice to a female voice? Just type it in and then it's done. But one of the coolest features about this tool is that you can clone your own voice. This means that you can use your voice in each video without actually having to record it. The video will sound more personalized and people won't even realize that it was created using AI. If you'd rather use your own voice, I'll show you how to set it up here. Once in InVideo AI, click the 3 lines on the left, go to plugins and click on voices. All you have to do is make a recording of at least 30 seconds where you include the phrase, "I give InVideo AI the permission to use my voice." And it's that simple. Once your voice is uploaded, you can use it in any future video you create. And for any videos you previously created, you can replace the AI-generated voiceover with your own by typing in the edit box, change the voiceover to voice 1, or whatever name you decide to give your voice. From there, you just click generate, and your old voiceover will be replaced with your own. This tool does offer a free option, but I do highly recommend going with the paid plan. It unlocks features like removing the watermark and accessing premium stock footage. I personally upgraded to the plan that's $20 a month, and I'd say it's definitely worth it. This plan gives you access to the voice cloning tool, top-tier stock footage, and other premium features you would typically need separate subscriptions for. It really is an all-in-one platform that really streamlines the YouTube automation process. But like any business, please don't expect success to happen overnight. You'll need to invest time effort, and strategy into this process if you want to make money. There are plenty of other aspects of YouTube and the automation process to learn about, but one of the most important is to pick a topic or a niche that you genuinely enjoy. If you start creating videos about something that you really don't care about, it will be really tough to stay motivated before you start making money. And remember that everyone's timeline is different. Some people get monetized in a month, some people it can take up to a year. It all depends on your strategy, your commitment level, your niche, and how quickly your channel gains traction. Hey, if you found this video helpful, do me a favor and click that like button. And subscribe to this channel for more free content just like this. I appreciate you sticking around, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.